Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Lee. Actually, this is my first video, guys. So do not judge it. Nakulinto ezininzi eqhana nimamele nibukele nisubscribe kube mnandi nithunzani. So welcome to the life of Miss Lee. Asika kule viki kandicaweni tu cha into endiyenzayo ndilapha. Saviva imnandi, guys, especially on a Sunday. Do not judge, guys. I know most of you are coming here nje okwenizingxilela kumnandi. So risikhatshajana nge jwale ke batho libelela ka bophelo ba ka he. What does this video actually contain? This is the life of Miss Lee, ups and downs that I go through on a daily basis, in life in general, monthly basis, whole year. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Mwah, mwah.